You know what? Now I haven't tried to be with a man, but if I ever would feel the urge to, and I would feel that men are for me and not the women, then I would not be ashamed to just say it. That yeah, if anyone asks, yes, I like men. Now that is going to be clipped out of proportions. Point is, I don't really care. I am Smitty, I am. No, don't clip it, gosh dang it, everything is clipped out of, Holy smokes, Peter, you're hard. Harsh!
You, Peter, you're hard.
Peter, did you hear Asbjørn, what he said?
You say it.
I said it was harsh.
Oh, harsh.
Naughty, naughty.
Vad fan, kan folk inte du att vi är några käresta eller? Looks yummy.
Yes, it is. I know, Dana. I know. It was terrible times. Oh my gosh, the whiskey, well, enjoy it. What whiskey do you prefer to drink? I liked the Black Label when I was a bit younger, and I had a little drinky poo. Oh yeah. Welcome back, Wolfie. Welcome back. But yeah, me and Sosie, we had a field day clipping when in Dana's channel. It was great. Oh yes, Smitty, I'm sorry. Next week, if there are not wind like now, we're going to the ice and see if I am able to get a hole in the ice. There's no such thing, Peter. No such. Oh, the eggnog. Oh, the eggnog. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hello, Kalsup. Yes. This is. I think it has boiled through now. No, it hasn't. This is a great whale. Great whale steak. I know, Saucy. I know. Lovely Irish whiskey. Oh, he had. I had the Tullamore Dew. That was not too bad. That was actually a good whiskey. Yes, Smitty. It is red meat, and yes, I have an ogre. I don't think that you can get the whale in Britain, but just take the ferry from Newcastle over to Bergen. Go to the nearest supermarket and you can buy whale in the freezing dish. Tullamore is good. I know. But okay, boys and girls. Now it's just me and Asbjørn eating. And I've just been cooking this past streams for to get back into the business. We are going next week. We are going to go outside, outdoors. No beer. Luckily, Daniel, no beer.